Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Edge high memory usage in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. The first solution is to kill the process. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now wait for the list to load. Find the Microsoft Edge browser, right click on it and select End Task. The second solution is to clear the cache, and I'll tell you the right way to do that. Open Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select history and then click on this bin symbol here and then change it to all time and then click on clear now. The last solution will be to remove the unwanted browser extensions. Okay, open Microsoft Edge and then click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions. Click on manage extensions. If you have any extension which is not required, then simply remove it. I usually delete all suspicious extensions. Only the popular ones are added on my own browser. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.